5 rounds, target 10, recover to the holster. Follow? Pretty easy. Thank you. As you guys present that pistol, ensure that that grip is how you want it, so that everything that we just worked on for the last 45 minutes, you've locked back in. Are you locking those fingers in? Is that wrist rolled forward? Are those tendons strong behind the gun? Some of you, even with that strong grippage, if your body posture is such that you look like this, what's going to happen? Right? You guys behind, watch their feet as they're shooting. Are they kind of rolling up like this? If you are, come up onto the balls of your feet a little bit. Drive your toes into the dirt. Last thing about this is 5 hits. It's not 5 booms, it's 5 hits. If you fire 107 misses, you owe me 5 hits in the black number 5. Dig? You keeping the guns topped off? It's a yes or a no question. No. If you're not, tack mag. Load when you want to, not when you have to. Meaning, your job is to manage your ammunition. You have several jobs. Have the gun, have it with you. Have it in the condition you wish to find it in if you need it to do its job. Just like later when we're working with the tourniquets, there is a specific way that tourniquet gets packed. There is one specific way. Not 8 or 9 or 7 or 10, one. That gun needs to be on you how you want to find it. If you're putting it back in the holster with some random ass number of rounds on it, you're not prepared to fight with it. Dominate those muzzles. Let's go to target 9 and do 4 hits. Let's go to target 9 and do 4 hits. Ready? If you didn't miss, raise your hand. Good. You guys go to target 4. Whoever missed, you go to target 4 too. Tighten the You should not be missing at this distance. Look. If I'm having to shoot this slow, do that. This shit's doesn't need to be bouncing all over. Just don't press the trigger unless your sights are aligned where you want them to. Hey guys, if your ass is straight, pull your ass back slightly. Just go like this. Look at me. Look at me. Just pop your ass back. Pop your ass back. Pop your ass back. Just a little bit. It changes the whole position. I said pop it back. Yeah. I said pop it back. Just a little bit. Look at Zee. Literally though, if you pull your pelvis back like that, it's going to drive your upper body out and it's going to put weight into your feet. So put yourself in a good position.
Some of the draws are getting lazy. Don't forget what the first thing they learned this morning.
Jeff just said some of you guys are getting lazy with your draw. Remember, how you train is how you will output. So that draw stroke still needs to be swift and controlled and safe, but direct. Don't get lazy and lax. Master grip. Clear the holster. Rotate towards the target. Join your hands. Punch it out. Target 3 hits. Let's go 3 on 8. 3 on 8. How many sight pictures? 4. Why are you getting that sight picture? Yeah, seeing what's happening. I just had to shoot somebody or something. I need to make sure that that somebody or something is not still a threat. You'll hear lots of stories this weekend about bullets not being magic off switches. 3 on 8. If you are continually looking over your sights, you're not doing it right. You're not doing it right if every time you shoot, you look over the sights or over the gun. Don't shoot, break your gun down, and then reset. Just drive the sights or the dot back to the target. The hole will be there. Whoop. Guys, a couple things I'm seeing as I've walked the line, a couple things I've been seeing is that gun compresses in unless you are actively engaged in firing the gun, conscious of where you're pointing the muzzle, your finger's off the trigger. Why I'm saying not just on your sights is I can stand right here and shoot, right? So if you're on the trigger, you better be engaged in consciously aiming or firing. When that gun comes in, your finger automatically comes off straight. Not here, but here. Not here, but here. Not here, but here. Not here or here, but here. Not here or here, here. Not here, but here. Not here or here, but here. Not there or here, but here. Was that enough? Here, not here. Or here, but here. Your wife is like, shut the f up.
I said I got me some gunfighter gun oil. Gunfighter gun oil, baby. Gunfighter gun oil, no more gunfighter blues. Made in the USA, amazing lubricity, 100% synthetic, baby. So it's gonna last you longer. So go on CarryTrainer.com and order yourself some gunfighter gun oil, gunfighter lube, to get rid of your gunfighter blues. I said go on and order yourself some gunfighter